Good morning, students. Myself Priyanka Mahale. Today we are going to start with our first chapter that of bookkeeping and accountancy. If we see the syllabus, this is the last chapter of the syllabus of 12th commerce. As this chapter is having full theory, so we are going to do it first. There are known problems in this chapter. All the questions will be related to the theory. Okay, so let's start with the chapter. The name of the chapter is computer in accounting. I have divided this chapter into parts. So this is the first part wherein you will get the introduction about why computers are used in accounting, what are the different types of softwares that are used for accounting with the help of the computer. Okay, so let's start with the chapter. So first we will know the concept. We will see what do you mean by computerized accounting system. Computerized accounting system is also known as CAS. Okay, the usage of computer and the information technology in accounting process has revolutionized the modern business concept, so that the process of decision making has become quick, accurate, timely, and much easier. Basically, computerized accounting system is such a change in the business that it has brought a bigger change in the business, that is, it helps in making decisions very quick, accurate, timely, and easier. Computerized accounting system are software programs which helps to store data and information. Okay, now this computerized accounting system basically is what it is, a software. Okay, either softwares are used for the accounting purpose. Next, features of computerized accounting system. The first feature is integrated date and information. As we all know, in the previous year, we have done many of the accounts. So what we used to do, suppose we prepare a journal, and based on that journal, we used to prepare the ledgers. So how many times we used to turn the pages to see the entries of the journal and then prepare the ledger. So here, when we use computerized accounting system, what happens here, all the data are saved in one of the software. Okay, like for example, there are many transactions that takes place in the business. For example, purchases are there, sales are there, finance are there, payroll of the employees, manufacturing data. So all these data, if we do it manually, it becomes a very huge data. But if we use a computerized accounting system, we can keep it accurate, up to date to the business information with a limited time. Okay, so here, if we want the data, we can get it very easily. The second is accuracy and speed. Accuracy and speed, as the name suggests, as you all know, if we use a computerized, if we use any software or anything, the work we do it manually is much speedy than when we use a computerized software. Okay, so here accuracy and speedy is what, suppose there are many transactions which allow us to enter the data very fast and accurate. All the transactions can be recorded immediately whenever it takes place, and this whatever data we have uploaded or we have entered in our computer can generate various informations and reports automatically. Okay, next, the third one is quick decision making. Quick decision making. Now suppose if you want to you have started a business in the month of April. Okay, and now it is 2 months, like for example April and May. Now if you want to think whether we should purchase more or no, so if you are doing manually, what you will do, you will just turn the pages and you will check what is the amount invested, how much raw material we have got. So it will take lot of time to take a decision about whether to purchase or whether to purchase more or whether to purchase less. But if you use a computerized accounting system, what happens, you can just type the dates of the the starting date and the end date. Whatever information you require, you will get in a second. Okay, so here it is what a computerized accounting system generates real time information for quick decision making. Okay, here you can plan some activities. You can, with the help of MIS report, you can get instant access to the complete and critical information of the company. Okay, so here the third point is what, quick decision making. Next is modern and integrated. Modern and integrated is what, nowadays wherever you go, even if you go to a small shop, you will find a PC in front of the cashier or in front of the owner who is dealing with it. So it has become a modern concept now. Nobody want to keep books of accounts in their tables. Now you will see a small PC, only one PC in front of them, wherein all the details will be there. So here it was modern and integrated, meaning what, it helps to save time in recording business transactions as compared to manual accounting system. Various financial statements such as trial balance, profit and loss, balance sheet can be derived at any point of time with a fraction of second. Okay, next is what, immediate availability of books of account. Now suppose you are having a business of you are having 5 years old business. Okay, now in this 5 years old business, you will be having n number of books for your, as you all know, in the 11th standard, what you have done, you have prepared a separate cash book. You have prepared a cash book with a bank column, purchase register, sales return, purchase return, and many more number of books. Now if you keep it manually, think about that, how huge place it will take. And if you want to find out, for example, in past 5 years on so and so date, what was the profit, so you have to take out all the books and you need to find out it. But now when you are using a computerized accounting system, whatever data you require, it is readily available at any point of time. Okay, next is what, security. Now as you all know, suppose if you are keeping books of account, if something happens, if something for example, if there is a short circuit or if there is a theft, all the things will get damaged or you will lose the data. But in computerized accounting system, it is what, it is more secure. You can keep all the data confidentially as compared to traditional accounting system. Okay, here you can in this security system, users can create multiple user security control for various users. Okay, next is what, transparency. Transparency is what, basically you can get day-to-day transparency in day-to-day business operations. Okay, here computerized accounting system does what, it helps the business organization to keep greater transparency in day-to-day business transactions and operations. Okay, grouping of account is basically what, here the accounts are grouped in a particular ledger. For example, in normally what we do, the ledger accounts, whatever we have, we classify them into assets, liabilities, income, and expenditure. So as per requirement of this group, we can further divide it into many subgroups, so as per convenience of the user. So these are the 8 features of computerized accounting system. Okay, now these features are very important, because if the question comes, the question will be stating that give some features of computerized accounting system. So you should be able to explain all these features of computerized accounting system. Next is what, importance of computerized accounting system. Now if you are very well if you have understood what are the features of computerized accounting system, you will be able to understand the importance of computerized accounting system. The first one is automation. Automation is what, automatically. Okay, now whatever calculations are there, you must have been using Excel sheet. In this Excel sheet, you must have seen, if you enter just a formula, you get the calculations accurately and automatically. So here in automation, in the main feature of computerized accounting system is what? Automation is what? All the calculations are automatically done by the accounting software with a minimum time as compared to manual calculating accounting calculations. So if you sit and if you use a calculator, it will take a time, but if you use a computerized accounting system, whatever data you get, whatever let it be a big calculation or let it be a small calculation, you will get the answer in a minute of in a minute. Okay, next is what? Multi-user facility is what? The businessman can access accounting information online or offline with more user control outside the office or within the office. So here, if the business is very huge, for example Ambani, Reliance, if you take Tata's, they have a huge business. So in this business, one person cannot handle the accounting department. So here there are many n number of users, and here if the business is having some international branches or having an international business, then the data whatever is that should be accessed outside the country also. So here a computerized accounting system give access to what? Multi-user facilities. Next is what? Accuracy meaning what? Computerized accounting software is more accurate as compared to human being. Okay, now here in computerized accounting system, what happens? Whatever information is there, it is more accurate. Like for example, all calculations like addition, subtractions, statistical calculations are automatically done by the software. Now if you do, as you all know, human beings tends to make the mistake, but in computer they don't make the mistake. If you add the details, if you update the details properly, you will get a accurate data. Next is what? Speed. The fourth point is what? Speed. Computerized accounting software works faster than manual accounting process. It is obvious that in computers does the work of if you want to do any financial statement. For example, if you want to do the financial statement of 1 month, if you do it manually, you have to turn all the pages, look after each and every day's data, transaction, and then prepare the financial statement. But in computerized accounting system, what happens? Whatever time you take to prepare, for example, if you take 1 day to prepare the financial statement, but in computerized accounting system, it will take only 1 minute to show you the result of whatever data you require. Okay, next is what? Reduction in cost. For example, now see, suppose if you want to prepare the financial accounts of the company. Now for example, financial account, as you all know, if you want to prepare a financial account, what you require? You require to prepare the journal. After journal, you have to enter the transactions. After the transactions are done, you have to prepare the ledgers. Based on the ledgers, you will prepare the trial balance. After trial balance, you get the trading account, profit and loss account, and then the last thing is what? You prepare a balance sheet. So how much time it will take? How much time it will take to maintain the record? And the accountant should be paid very well. The employees should be paid very well to maintain the records properly. But when you use a computerized accounting system, what happens? You have to enter only once in the system, and accountant will save his time in maintaining the record. Okay, so only once you have to feed the information, and all the data will automatically generate the whatever information you require. Next is what? Systematic and up-to-date record. Computerized accounting system ensures what? Systematic and up-to-date financial record of the business organization. It will systematically keep the records. For example, as human beings, we tend to forget some things, but in a when you feed it in a computerized accounting system, it will be systematically recorded, and up-to-date information will be available to the business organization. Next is what? Huge storage capacity. now for example take business is of 10-year-old business, okay, 10 साल पुराना business है. Now what happens, when a business is of 10-year-old, what happens, this business require huge, suppose if it maintaining manually, imagine how many books it will be maintaining, how many records it will be having, how many bills it will be generating, how many paper it will be using. So here the capacity, the storage capacity should be used to maintain all this record. But when you use a computerized accounting system, what happens, the software can store accounting records of many years. So only one computer software can record the records of all, like for example if you take 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, but only one software will record the huge amount of data. So here huge storage capacity is there with the computerized accounting system. Next point, that is the eighth point, is what, compact. Compact is what, here कितना भी how huge the financial data is be there, but computer store it in the compact way. That is, the financial information can be stored on the hard disk. If require, backup can be taken on the external storage device, which requires very little space. So here you can store it in your hard backup devices also, so that there is no chance of getting the data lost or getting the data will be stored in a very little space. Okay, next is what, transferability and or sharing information. Transferability means you can share your information from one place to another. Now for example, if you want to if your accountant want to travel from India to US, because you are having one branch in US, so how much books he required to carry with him when he is traveling from India to US. But when it is computerized accounting system, you can just sit on your place and you can just transfer your accounting data. Okay, so here it is, computerized accounting system allow the business organization to share the financial information with the interested parties. The information can be shared with the help of the printouts, or it can also be shared with the help of soft copy, that is through pen drive or internet transfer. So these are the importance of computerized accounting system. The next thing is components form the computerized accounting system. Matlab, what are the some of the components which will form the computerized accounting system? What are the things which we require to form a computerized accounting system? First one is hardware. Hardware is what, whatever things of the computer, for example the computer, the disk drive, monitors, printers, network that connects with them, modem or electronic linkage, whatever is there, whatever we can see, okay, the things which we can see are known as the hardware of the computerized accounting system. Without that we cannot do the accounting system. Okay, next is software. Software is what, software is a set of programs, okay, that directs the computers to perform the desired task. Okay, whatever task is given, that software should be able to do. For example, SAP when it is a large huge business, second one is Tally when it is a small medium business, third one is Zoho or Excel sheet. Okay, these are some of the software which are used. Okay, and the third thing is personnel. Now if you have both, you have a software, you have a hardware, but if there are no accountant, there are no staff, will you be able to perform the computerized accounting system? No. Okay, personals are what, some of the management people, accounting people who take care of accounting record. Okay, so here the three components of computerized accounting system is what? Hardware, software, and personnel. So these are the three things which should form what? Computerized accounting system. So in this today's chapter we have learned what? We have learned what is the concept of computerized accounting system. Second is what? We have learned the features of computerized accounting system. Third is what? We have learned what is the importance of computerized system and what are the components of computerized accounting system. Okay, so with this we complete part 1 of computerized accounting system. In the next class we will see what are the what how to create a accounting document, what are the different between manual accounting system and computerized accounting system.